In today's video, we will explore a hidden corner of Chaldea. Today we return to romantic themes. We're going to talk about trips for two. First of all, it's important to highlight that this feature should only be used if both birth times have good accuracy. In Exercise 6, we have already learned how to discover unforgettable travel destinations, taking into account our birth chart. But will these destinations be equally memorable for the person who will accompany us? That's what we aim to solve with this feature, finding unforgettable travel destinations for the couple. It involves locating destinations on the world map where fundamental planets of both partners' birth charts are especially positioned at the four cardinal points, namely the ascendant, midheaven, descendant, and nadir. So on our main screen, let's tap the Interpretation button. We will select the first member of the pair. In my case, it's Martina. Now let's tap the Couple Travel Destinations button. I will choose John Doe. The search is in progress. We already have a vast list of destinations. Papua New Guinea doesn't seem advisable to me. Let's scroll. We see destinations in Thailand, but planets associated with violence appear, such as Mars and Pluto, so let's keep scrolling. Albuquerque in the United States of America. Not that either, because it seems somewhat dangerous for John. As an aside, let's remember that in the relocated chart for Dallas, Texas, of John Fitzgerald Kennedy, Pluto was in conjunction with the midheaven. We now have the Gold Coast or Sunny Coast in Australia. Seems interesting. So let's request an interpretation. Here it is, let's read. According to astrology, Martina and John will feel a strong and intense connection while visiting the Gold Coast, Australia. This is due to the significant conjunctions in their relocated natal charts for that city. In Martina's relocated natal chart, the Sun in Leo is in conjunction with the ascendant, indicating that she will feel confident, bright, radiant, and full of vitality during this trip. Venus in Leo is in conjunction with the ascendant, suggesting an atmosphere of love, romance, and pleasure in the company of John. Neptune in Aquarius is in conjunction with the descendant, indicating a feeling of spiritual and transcendental connection between the couple. Priapus in Sagittarius is in conjunction with the nadir, suggesting an energy of intense desire and passion, increasing the seduction between Martina and John. In John's relocated natal chart, Mercury in Aquarius is in conjunction with the ascendant, indicating clear, intelligent, and original communication between him and Martina during the trip. Uranus in Aquarius is in conjunction with the ascendant, suggesting an atmosphere of excitement, unpredictability, and new experiences during the stay on the Gold Coast. These planetary conjunctions indicate that Martina and John will have a deep and stimulating connection during their visit together to the Gold Coast, with a mix of romance, clear communication, and exciting experiences. And that's it, we're done for today. I hope this topic will be enjoyable for you. Thank you for your attention, and until a next video.